Hey guys, this quick video I'm going to show how to enter the safeguard trade for thinkorswim and for tasty, depending on which one you're on. So first thing, you're going to go on for thinkorswim, click the back / key MES, press enter. We're going to look for the nearest to the 120 DTE. We have 108 and 143. Let's check the 143 out. What I like to do is do the put debit spread first. In order to do that, you're going to look for around the 0.25 delta. It's going to be the first number that I write in the thread. So it'll be around 4,400. You're going to go to the ask and click on the ask right here. Then you want to go 50 lower than it. It'll be the 4350. It'll be the second number I write. Hold the control key on your keyboard and press click. So we're going to be buying a vertical. So buy one at the 4,400, sell one at the 4,350. We're going to look for a debit between around 7 and 10 in most cases. Here you see 8.25 to 10. So we'll be able to get filled somewhere in between that possibly, or up to around 10 or so. Then you click confirm and send, and then get accepted on it. Next part is you're going to do the naked puts. It'll be the third number I write. Typically look for around 20 premium. So right now it's around the 38.50. I'm going to click on the bid, and then you're going to change that to -2 instead of -1 contract, because you want to sell 2 of the naked puts. And then you're going to sell to, try to get at least 20, confirm and send it. And then that's it for thinkorswim version. For tastytrade version, going to go to same thing, /MES, press enter. I'm going to go near the 120 DTE, look at the 143. Pretty much the exact same way to set this up here. Going to be to buy the 4,400, click on the ask. And then we're going to sell the 4350. Only main difference, you don't have to press control here, just click it. And then you're going to have +1 4,400 means you're buying it. -1 4350, that means we're selling it. And then same thing, review and send it. For the second part of the trade, look for the third number. It's around 20 or so. Click on the bid, change the quantity to 2. Just press the up arrow, and you'll see -2 here. Review and send. Interesting on tastytrade and on thinkorswim, if you want to, you could put the whole order in. You just can't get filled on it right away. Here I have 2 of each order. I want to get one of these, so I'm going to double click the vertical, put debit spread, change the quantity to 1, and then it'll show you the buying power needed. Buying power is $620 for this trade. We're going to use about $1,100 total for the buying power and cash on the side. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments or on Zoom or in Discord, wherever you can find me. And hopefully this is helpful, and I'll see you guys on Discord.